Florida's hottest stars to perform their latest hits at the Playroom.
And of course, kanina pa sila na-expect. Actually, kagabi pa, nag-trending na sila online. And paano pa ngayon at talagang grabe pinaghandaan at higit sa lahat, sobrang mahal nila yung magpo-perform dito for tonight.
Yes, kaya naman we are so excited to introduce to you our first pre-show artist, starting with a rising new artist of Star Pop PH who is making way in the music scene with his debut single, Beaming Fantasia.
And indeed, let's give it up for Justin McLeod!
Nandito na si Chito Miranda. Nandito na si Kiko, si Francis Magalona. Nandito na si Glock 9, wala nang apelido. Magpapaksakan dito, 8, 5, 4, 3, wala na!
ganap mo, including Love at First Spike. Go!
Right nga guys, abangan niyo ako sa Love at First Spike as Ray, yeah, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Thank you. Sa inyo, and follow niyo sa mga social media accounts ko, IG, Facebook, Instagram, and sa lahat naman, huwag ka na yung malo yung mag-media ko. Ha? Ako lang. Maraming salamat. Maraming guys.
Perfect! Thank you so much, Peter! Let's give it up for Peter! Ano kasi, naawa ko kay Peter. Tuloy, hindi na ako magsalita. Diba, Peter, again, gusto namin nalaman. Players, kamusta ang energy natin?
Nag-enjoy pa bang lahat? Totoo na sa taas! Nag-enjoy pa? Dito sa kaliwa! Nag-enjoy pa? Dito sa gitna! Nag-enjoy pa?
Dito naman sa taas, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Diba? Pero syempre, alam naman natin, mas ma-happy pa kayo because the pangharana continues, o diba? So, and before this next artist grew up listening to legends, the Beatles, Queen, Guns N' Roses, kaya naman tonight, dala niya ang rock and roll soul from the classics with a twist. And I feel let's give it up for Christoph Summerloo! You just released a self-titled EP. So, promote all of your social media platforms, your EP, and all your streaming platforms. Go ahead.
Una-una, hello po. Ako po si Christoph Summerloo. Makikita niyo po ako sa Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, saan pa man. First and foremost, I'd like to acknowledge our lovely host here tonight. No? Nag-release po ang bagong EP. Self-titled po siya, Christoph Summerloo. Itong song, Apple Between, tsaka yung Sine. It's only 2 of the 6 songs na nandun sa EP. Ayan po. Thank you so much. I also have a music video para sa Sine. Now out on YouTube rin po. Yeah, sana mapanood niyo po.
Perfect. All right. Once again, NFT, let's give it up for Christoph! Yes. Thank you so much, Christoph.
Christoph.
Yes. O, diba? Pwede na tayo kumanta doon.
Hihiling ka na ba kumanta?
Forever Fiang ang Charis.
Pero nais naman po namin palalahanan ng ating mga audience na nandito na pwede po tayo mag-cheer, pwede tayong sumigaw, pero iniiwasan po natin ang tumayo para nakakanood ng maayos ang ating audience sa likod. Tama, Yana?
Yes, of course, Dong. And syempre, we would also like to remind all of our slayers na very important yung safety. Safety first lagi. Alright? So, pwede naman sumigaw and everything. Pero again, please take care of everyone, all of your surroundings, lahat po tayo, para safe po tayo makauwi and we can all enjoy tonight's show Forever Fiang. Diba, Dong?
Tama, and yun naman yung pinunta natin dito to enjoy and also to watch the performance of our artists, especially ang ating main above, si Fiang. So again, inuulit po namin ang ating po mga audience na nasa likod ay hindi makakanood ng maayos kung tayo po ay paulit-ulit na tumatayo.
Yes, thank you so much guys for your cooperation. Pero syempre, we have to get back to the show, Dong. And ito na, super exciting after 3 talented male artists. Punta naman tayo sa isang up-and-coming female artist. From her engaging YouTube channel to her growing presence on Spotify, she has been building her own sound. And tonight, she is ready to share it with us all.
For real ba yan?
For real?
Paano?
For real? Charis? Okay, kaya naman, NFT, let's give it up for
Chloe S.J.
Sitwasyon ko ay ikaw ang pinipilit. Ito